Today we're going to replace the fuel composition sensor, which sometimes might also be referred to as the flex fuel sensor on a 2014 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 liter engine. So we're on the driver's side frame rail. This is almost underneath the driver's seat. Just in front of us here we've got the ABS module, but if we zoom in a little bit closer in this unit, you can kind of see what we're dealing with here. Now this one was actually shorted out, and you can kind of see the electrical connector. We're going to end up replacing the connector also. We'll cut it back here. We're going to splice it. We're going to hide the splices in the loom here so it's all clean, protected from the elements. But previously this unit shorted out, blew a fuse, and set a ton of different trouble codes for circuits that were also in that fuse. So we've already disconnected the electrical connector right here. Now the next trick is to get these blue clips released. So I used a little 90-degree pick, but you can sometimes even get your fingernail behind here. It's a little tricky though. On these particular ones, you're going to slide them backwards away from the unit to unlock it, and then you can pop them up and slide them. Now it's very important that you have the fuel pressure released or unpressurized at this point, because we don't want fuel spraying all over. So we want to contain it and also be careful with it. So we can slide that back off of here. This unit is also held in place just by a plastic clip. So on the top there's a locating tab. On the bottom there's a little clip here, so that'll pop into place, and you can see we've got it off the other one. Now I'm going to work to release this clip here. I'll slide the locking tabs back, release them a little bit, get my pick in there to help pop that out, and we've released it. So now I can take my new unit, remove my protective plugs. We're going to slide it in place, lock it in, make the electrical connector, ensure that our scan readings are fine, and we're going to be ready to go. Hopefully now you have a little better understanding of what it takes to replace the fuel composition or flex fuel sensor on a Chevy pickup.